So over here, you can see that I have the task list. And if I want to view the resource seat, then I can go around and click on the resource seat right here. And this is what you have. So what you can do is you can also go around and then sort out the resources that you see right here. So you can go around over here and click on it. And here you can see sort is an option. If I were to go around and click, then I can sort out the resource, let's say by name, so that A is on the top and you can see T is at the bottom right here. You can go around, sort it out by ID over here, just like this, or you can go around and sort it out by cost over here as well. So depending on the cost that is there assigned right here, you can see that it gets assigned out right here, just like this. You can go around onto resource uses as well, and you can go around onto, let's say, cost, and then sort it out by cost right here. And you can see that this is what you have. The highest cost actually goes up to the beginning, while the cheapest one goes up to the bottom right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then sort it out according to how you like. You can sort it out by ID or name, or you can go around and sort by first by ID, and let's say, for example, not by ID but first by name right here, and then let's say, for example, the second priority will be cost. So I'm just going to go around and scroll down right here and select out cost, and then press OK right here, and you can see that this is how everything is arranged out. And that is how you can go around and utilize the resource sorting option inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.